aspirationally, it's where most of the banks that we speak to want to go. They want to open up their financial services to other ecosystem players. I think specifically to our problem that we're trying to solve, we've got two different industries that we're trying to bring together through our technology. If you think about it in the real simplest terms, you've got a supply chain that is incredibly efficient. Everything is focused around just-in-time delivery, whether it's inventory, commodities, shipping, whatever. Everything is hugely efficient. And the impact of things like Brexit could have a massive impact on the just-in-time efficiency of that supply chain. But then you've got a financial services industry that is massively inefficient and product-led, and those products do not service a supply chain. They service products that the bank has invented themselves to service a historical requirement from regulators or requirement of the bank itself to achieve profits or to actually get customers on board. Now, if you think about the best way to bring them two industries together, a just-in-time supply chain, hugely efficient, and financial services industry that's not particularly efficient, the average time to credit is about 90 days. What you've got to do is unlock the data within the supply chain, pass that over to the bank itself, also unlock the bank's data, because actually the bank is still part of that supply chain. Transactions go in and out of the account, you might use that for cash management, and then actually create different products that you can push back into the supply chain itself. So when we talk about kind of harmonizing the supply chain or connecting banks, we deem ourselves connecting banks with the supply chain. It's extracting data out of there to better understand what's going on, and then delivering automated or digital financial services products back into the supply chain just in time, just when they're needed, not when the customer requires them and then 90 days plus on top of that because your inefficient operations don't allow you to move quick enough. Bringing together the supply chain and the banking space is exactly where we want to go, and then that will be the catalyst for true ecosystem banking within our space, in true ecosystem corporate banking as a service.